Hello, everybody. This is Shemaine, and I'm making my sweet rolls. I'm quickly kneading it, as you can see. Yum, yum. Oh, yeah. It's so fun and soothing. Yeah. Cut it, cut it, cut it. I'm going to make about 10. So nice and fluffy. Now you just give it a little shake. Pinch it on the bottom and twist it. Oh, yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's going in your stomach, guys. Look how they came out so nice and fluffy. And they smell so good. It makes the whole house smells delicious. Coat it with a butter. And it's a done deal. Homemade sweet rolls.